Hey guys, this is Page from Bebomb.com, and when the lockdown started, we asked you guys to share your screen on time on your phones, and the results were crazy. I mean, some of you use Instagram for 8 hours a day. Yeah, that is crazy. Anyway, it is lockdown and we are all using Instagram a lot. So how about some really cool, really hidden Instagram tricks and settings that you're going to love? Yeah, we are going to talk about that today, and yeah, the tricks get better as they go along, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. And yeah, keep a tab on the fourth one because that's my favorite. It's about the video call feature in Instagram. Anyway, let's get started. I know there's a way to create collage stories in Instagram through this layout option, but the problem with this is you cannot use your previously captured photos. I mean, what if I wanted to create a collage of photos from Las Vegas from the good old days? Well, that's where this super cool trick comes in handy to add collage stories. Here's what you need to do. Just open up the first photo you want to add in the collage and take a screenshot, crop it and save it. Now go to Instagram, here go to the stories page and just create a plain background. I like a solid black background, so I'm going to go with this. Now just add the text you want and then again use the text tool, press hold here and you will see the option to paste. Use this and voila, picture added. Yeah, screenshots are automatically copied, so yeah, I can take the screenshots of the photos I want in the collage and paste them one by one, and that's it, the collage is ready. Yeah, this looks super cool, right? Now this is way easier on iPhones. On iPhone, you just copy a photo in the Photos app and it will automatically show up in the Instagram Stories page. Super convenient. Now since we're talking about stories, here's a pro tip for Bebomb fans. So in Stories, in the stickers page, you can just search for Bebomb and look at this. Bebomb stickers are now live. As you can see, there are a bunch of them and this Akshay sticker is my favorite. Well, go ahead, use these stickers and tag us and we'll share your story on our page. So go ahead, do it, and also make sure to follow us. Okay, so Instagram recently introduced a custom status feature that not a lot of people know about, and that's because it's kind of tricky. So check this out. This shows my status as chilling and it is automatic and uses your location to let your friends know what you're up to. I'm at my home right now like all of us, so does the chilling status. Now if you're wondering how did I set up this status, well, you can't set it up on Instagram. You need the Threads app for this. So just install the Threads app for Instagram and here just select the friends who will be able to see your custom status and then set your status to automatic or any of these or even create your own custom status. Now once done, your friends will see your custom status in Instagram, and the best thing, your friends don't need to install the Threads app to see your status. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so this is something we have always wanted, the ability to unfollow a lot of people really quickly, people you don't interact with much. Well, Instagram now has an option for it. You can just go to your Instagram profile. Here, just check out the following list. You can see here that there's a new least interacted with section, right? Well, this shows the list of people you least interacted with in the last 90 days. Now here you can just quickly unfollow people or pages quickly like this. And yeah, it's pretty easy. Now it's not just this. There are a couple of new options in the followers page as well. You can see these two new options here, right? Accounts you don't follow back and least interacted with. Well, I think a list that showed people who don't follow you back might have been more useful, but you can check these out if you want. Okay, so this is my personal favorite. This is another cool trick in Instagram that again is pretty new and kind of perfect for this time when we are friends, all of us are in lockdown. So let me show you. So when you're on a video call on Instagram, you can see this media option, right? Well, you can use this to browse posts with friends. Yeah, it's super cool. So you get these three tabs where you can see your liked posts, saved posts, and recommended posts. Now, say you wanted to talk about a certain post with your friend, well, you can just select one of these posts and it will show up on both yours and your friend's screen. Yep, like this. So you can open up a picture you want to show to your friend or, discuss a photo. Yeah, this is super cool and like I said, perfect right now when we just can't meet our friends and families. So recently, Instagram took a big bold decision to start hiding likes. Now some people can still see the likes while some people like me don't see the number of likes anymore. Well, there's a very simple trick to see the likes count. So say I want to see the number of likes on our 9th anniversary post. Well, I can just copy the link of this post, open Chrome, Open the incognito mode and just paste the link, and voila, you can see the likes count. It's pretty easy, right? Now there's one more trick to view the likes count. So you can use this Chrome extension on your PC or Mac that shows you the like and comment counts. You can just install this extension and just open up Instagram.com. Now you can see the number of likes as well as the number of comments right on top of a post. It's pretty handy. One weird thing I've always noticed in Instagram is that there's no way to view the profile picture, aka the DP of someone, in full size. Now tapping on the picture does absolutely nothing. Well, how about a trick to see this picture in full size? So all you need to do is just open up the profile whose DP you want to see and just hit the three-dot menu button and copy the profile URL. Then go to Chrome and again paste this link. Now don't go ahead, just add 0 at the start before Instagram like this. Now just go ahead and once the profile loads up, just tap on the DP and you should be able to see the profile picture in HD glory. Yeah, this is great. Now apart from this, you can also use a website like InstaDP that lets you search for profiles and see the DPs in full size. Let's face it, we all have that Instagram friend who cannot blog, but we also don't want to see their messages or don't want others to see their comments on our posts. Well, Instagram has this restrict feature just for that. So Akshay is one of the people I hate, clearly. So I can just go to his profile, hit the three-dot menu button and tap on restrict. Yeah, which brings up this prompt. Now this says only I and Akshay will be able to see his new comments on my posts and his chat is now in my message requests. Yay. Sorry Akshay, but had to do it. So yeah, you can use this too to make sure you can ignore people who, bother you. Every time someone you follow goes live on Instagram, you get a notification like this. Now, it is handy when you actually enjoy live sessions from a certain account like us, but with the lockdown, almost everyone is going live these days, so these notifications do get a little too much. Well, here's how to disable them. You can just go to Instagram settings, here go to notifications, live and IGTV. You just turn off notifications for live videos and yeah, it's done. You'll no longer receive live notifications and yeah, you can live with peace, I guess. Well, those are some really cool and really useful Instagram tricks and settings that you should definitely try on a smartphone. But there's a lot more and we have a dedicated article on the same. So check it out from the link in the description down below. Also do note that some of our equipment is locked up in studio. In fact, all of our equipment is locked up in the studio in Delhi. So yeah, the audio might not be up there, but the content I hope you guys love. So tell us how you like it in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.